We know that it's sold somewhere between $860 with $100 shipping and $805 with $30 shipping. So it's an $800 vase. I totally forgot something very important that I was supposed to do today. I don't know when this little clip is going to show up in one of my videos, but I'm going to let it show up. But I have to say goodbye to this. This has served me well for many years, and she's just done. She's just done and ready to go be retired to light use, not a crazy thrifter use. So, all right, I'm on my way to go pick up my new thrifting mobile. All right, there it is. This is the new thrifting mobile, and I know it's little, but you know what? If I can shop with my daughter's Mini Cooper, I can shop with this, and it's pretty new and it's pretty nice, and here we go. Is there something you want? Is there something you want me to do? Would you like me to get out of bed? This is what I get in the morning. There is no sleeping in. This little girl thinks it is time to get up, and she will not stop bugging me and talking to me until this happens, because her needs are everything. Aren't they, Zena? Well, there she is. My first morning waking up to my new little baby. I don't know, maybe it's meant to be my soulmate. I don't know. I'm already a little squeamish about everything I gotta fit. Am I even showing up? I see myself. It's like a mirror. It's like a mirror in here. All right, I have to come over here and deal with this mound of boxes. I actually had a lady show up yesterday and ask for some boxes to ship some art. So I gave her some of my boxes. And now I gotta deal with this before we get rain. Moving is not completely complete until you're unpacked, right? And organized. That could take a while. That's okay. We're gonna get it done. All right, I'm gonna go. Well, she kind of passed the first test. Now, it would be okay if I didn't have to go pick up the kids, but it's a little cramped. But this is a lot of packages. We're okay. We're gonna do this. So here is the absolute insanity that is my life right now. I need to fill these shelves with all of my listed inventory, which now I've made my inventory visible again, so the pressure's on. So I thought it'd be fun to take you along with me as I fill the shelves. So what I did was I actually packed each bin and wrapped things with clothing. I'm trying to get the camera angle here without being able to see it. That's not working so good. Oops. I'm crooked. I'm straight. Okay. I packed my listed clothing as packing materials, so that's going to be stage 2, is all of my actual clothing, which I have racks for. But this is a cool piece of art I got at an estate sale. Actually, I hate to admit it, but several years ago. It's an artist proof. AP, when you see that on a print, it means artist proof. It means it's their first kind of test at doing the piece. This one's called Stones and Spheres. It's by Anthony DeMichel, 1996. I'll show you if I can here. Shoot. There's all the goodies on there. So yeah, It's a cool piece of art. I know I'm going to do something different with art at some point, so I'm just I'm going to stack art for now because I have a lot of it. And so I'm just going to start filling these shelves. If I show you every single thing, I'm not going to get done very well. So if you see something that you want to see closer up, let me know in the comments and I can make that happen. So let me just explain my organization a little bit before I get going here. Glass, these two shelves are going to be glass, and I differentiate kind of between higher end glass and some of the lower, I don't want to say lower end because I don't sell anything super low end. And then pottery, art pottery, more kitchen pottery. And then I'll have a shelf for porcelain, which is different than pottery. Then I have like a miscellaneous shelf. And then, because I do a lot of animal things, I have a bird shelf, I have a sea life shelf, I have a dog and cat shelf, and then I have like almost like a everything else shelf, but still I keep them all like bunnies with bunnies and elephants with elephants kind of a thing. So that's what's going to happen here as I get these unpacked. All right, here I go. Okay, so I figured that would be really boring if I just videoed that whole thing. So I will show you my progress so far. I got 2 tubs empty. Here it is. So here is now what my shelves look like. I'm going to put my kind of sets of glasses and kitchen-y glassware on this shelf. Here's all of my good art glass. That is an amazing Blanco signed piece. That's Murano. I forget who makes these. I think it's, I want to say no. They're marked Imperial. They're Imperial. I went through a really big cherub phase. I've got the Italian decanter and glass set. I've got more art glass over here. And then here's my little porcelain shelf so far. I've got my little, I think are these Royal Doulton? No, they are Lennox. They are the Lennox ladies. It was something like that. So I've got those. I'm putting Christmas and holiday down on the bottom. I know this is probably going to be like a out of my niche shelf that's probably going to go away soon. And then don't have much here on the art pottery. Got a few things. More to come. And then this is my kind of my kitchen ceramic kind of stuff. So yeah, and we've started some birds. We've started some birds over here. 2 tubs down. I've got those 3 to go. And then all of these boxes of stuff are also, oh yeah, and all those tubs are also stuff that has to go on the shelves. So we'll get it done. We'll eat the elephant one bite at a time. But right now, I've got to get to the post office. Okay, dodged a bullet. These were dropped off at the old place, which we don't live anymore. And the landlord was nice enough to let me know that the packages were there, as well as a dolly that we left behind. So now we got to cram those packages into there. Go ahead, Noah. These are my things that I got off the What the Hales auction. So these will be coming up in my Friday sale. There are salt and pepper shakers. And then the week after that will be all of the cool jewelry that I bought. Thank you, Noah. Thank you. Oh, we got one FedEx package we got to go drop. I forgot. I was going to film at the post office and I totally spaced it because we're just trying to get home. But here we go. That's part of my day. Now we're heading home. So I'm spending a little time today on another channel watching Misty from Thrifter Junker Vintage Hunter, Jocelyn, the Crazy Lamp Lady, Julian, the Bearded Thrift Machine, and Kat, the Nurse Flipper, doing a nice chat. And it's, you know, this reseller community, I gotta tell you, it's an awesome thing and I love being part of it. So I'm gonna get back to it. and listen to what they're saying. So you guys always hear scoop. Oh, where are you going? No, I know you want the phone. I know you want that. You always hear scoop when I'm doing my lives and sometimes on my voiceover. So I thought I would get a little video here. Oh. Well, you just took him away from me.
I'm trying to get him to go up.
Come here. He's on there. Oh, now, okay, no. He loves to eat the phone, and yet he is propped on my phone right. Ah, don't bite my fingers. That is not nice. I got him. So this is Scoop. Scoop, can you turn around and say hi? There's a pretty bird. There. Oh, do you see yourself? Oh, so I don't think he knows what to make of that. There's a bird. There's a bird in the camera. So this is our Scoopy. Give me a kiss. He's making the noise. Kiss.
He won't give you a kiss.
He won't give me a kiss, and you don't want to be on video. So there's one of his favorite spots. Right there. And then he's going to come and eat my glasses. So, okay, he's back on the phone. Okay, that's Scoop. And then here are the boys. Well, that's JJ. That's little JJ. And let me see if I can show you Sky. And there's little Sky. And these two are brothers. They do get to come out, but they don't get to come out the same time as little Scoop, who's up there causing trouble.
He's gone.
He's like, don't catch me and put me away. All right, there's the birds. Something I've been working on today is going through the items that are in an upcoming estate auction that I'm looking at online. And this vase right here is something I would really, really, really like to win. Now let me see if I can show you. Oops, my shaky little hand here. This is signed Durand 1710. They are saying that it is a 9-inch tall vase, and right now it's got 12 bids, and the high bid right now is at $150. Let me show you why I'm going to be going kind of gaga on this vase. Okay, now we're over here on eBay. I have done a search for Durand vase. You could do Durand glass. I just wanted to see the vases. These are active listings, okay? This is where I'm starting. Well, you can see how exciting this is. That's a 12-inch in that same iridescent blue. This glass is made back in the 1930s. It is very reminiscent of Steuben and the very good Tiffany, and even the very good Fenton did some of this really nice iridescent glass back in the early days. It's known as Favril. I don't even know how you say that. Favril? I don't know. Anyway, so here we go. You can see consistently there are some pretty big prices, but we all know listed prices is not what matters. What matters is sold. So that still excites me. Now it doesn't have the same kind of lines on it, but still you can see this is a very, very high-end glass. So here's the one that's closest to the one I'm looking at. That is an 8-inch. We know that it's sold somewhere between $860 with $100 shipping and $805 with $30 shipping. So it's an $800 vase, which now that $150 doesn't seem so bad. And so I guess I should get my hand out of the camera. So I am going to be bidding on that piece live tomorrow, and I will update you whether or not I win it. I really hope I do. I'm not going to tell you what my high bid's going to be, just in case somebody finds the auction and wants to like go over there and bid me up. That wouldn't be nice. But yeah, okay. So that was my exciting day. Now for the rest of the evening, I will be editing video so that I can actually put this up. And I sit and I reflect and I plan my next day. I look at what I got done. I celebrate the wins. I look at what I still need to get done, and you can see behind me there's a little bit of shipping I still haven't gotten done. Those who are waiting for mystery boxes, it is very high on my list to get finished. I'm still unpacking inventory. That's what's making it so tough. But I'm determined, and I'm going to spend some time with my kids. I think we're going to play a game tonight, and they made a pizza, so I got off the hook of cooking tonight, and that's my evening. So with that, go be profitable and make it fun, and we'll see you on the next one.